Video. Video na.
Mel, can you relate what happened yesterday? Why this
Interview.
flood is so...
Interview din. Video,
why
video.
this flood is so devastating, huh? What have you done? What did you do yesterday? You climb up to the top of the roof? You climb up to the top of the roof of your house? Oh my! Very good.
Alright.
Oh, look at this. Look at even the old rooms are
The level of water.
tumbling down.
Rose. Up here.
Oh.
Here.
Hey, look. You stand, my friend. You stand, and I see how high is the water. Point the water.
Water.
And look at Ian. And Ian is around 7 feet.
7'9".
7'9".
7'9". I'm 7'9".
You're 7'9".
Plus 1.5 foot.
Yeah.
So that is 8. Probably 9.
Around 9.
9.
Yes.
9.
9 feet
9 feet.
from the ground.
Yes.
Oh. This is really terrible. I can see all is tumbling down in the room. Oh, one room, the cabinet tumbling down, in another room. Oh, everything tumbling down. Oh, come on. Not really good. Hallelujah. It's good God protected Mel. Oh, about this one. Oh, also, the room of Missionary Kim. Oh, it's not good. All tumbling down. We're going to the back door and going to another. Oh, this is Melba. Hello. What happened? How are you? Oh, there is the neighborhood. Their strong fence is nothing for the flood. It's also tumbling down. And here. Oh. Mel, is this the roof that you climbed?
Yes.
Oh, look, this is the roof that we climbed yesterday, and it spent hours. Almost one whole day. Oh, oh my! Without eating, you are trembling with very cold because you are wet. And here again. Is this your room, John? Oh, you see everything tumbling down. Oh, it is not really good experience for these young ladies. Oh, look at this. The organ, it's good, you already washed, but that is full of mud this morning. I can see this organ, this is full of mud. This very early morning when I come and visit them. Oh, yes. Yung kwarto ni Jo Marie, grabe. Super.
Saan ang kwarto mo? Dito.
Yeah. So, Pastora, what can you say about you're wondering, huh?
I'm
What happened?
surprised. What's happening here? So really devastated, and you see, look at the muddy
Place?
place.
Everywhere. Oh, but we are thankful because all of them are safe. Try to look at this new house, huh? It is newly constructed, newly painted. It's supposed to be strong. But look at the their fence. Oh, already down. Oh, not really good. Oh, people there, they are also loose. Mending their fence over there. There the people are. Even this house. Oh, it's a big house. It's a good house. But because of a terrible flood happened yesterday. So the young people have come to help from Manggahan Daisan Church. They have come to help the rescue. Here comes the rescue team. Hello. Thank you for coming, rescuers. Oh, it's good to come. Oh, yeah, very excited. Wag niyong biruin yan. These are the young people that just arrived. Nabasa ka na? Ako, pinawisan eh. Thank you for coming.
No problem.
We have many works to do.
Good.
It's good to come.
Ato na kalaban daw, Pastor. Ayan o, nakakaya.
Wala pa.
Kaya natin yun.
This is Doogie Doogie. Doogie Doogie. Look at that. Doogie Doogie. Wag.
Tapal ka, ha?
Wag yung Huwag yung bibiruin. Huwag yung bibiruin.
Ganyan yung tubig ko.
Yeah. Look at that. Where is Ian?
May magpahana lang kayo.
You are also stranded? Oh.
Basta nababasa, hindi naman sila.
Hindi. Ay, Yom, hindi mo nakikita. Ang gaganda ng mga yan kanina. Hindi mo nakita.
Maganda rin siya.
Ano to, si Kwan? Si Ann, Cord. Dapat inihilang buhok.
Pero guys, simulan na natin.
Yes. That's the purpose why you are here. Begin the mission. Okay, we will give you a step-by-step instruction how to begin. Listen.
Okay, guys, pakinig. Pakinig muna sa instruction.
Instruction muna.
Instruction muna.
Okay. Ang uunahin natin, lilinitin, we will clean up the sala. Okay? Clean up the sala. So,
May tubig na ba?
yeah, there is water.
Pagawin natin ba?
So, ito, hayaan nyo na muna to.
Ito po muna.
Ito muna, ilalabas muna lahat. Yan yung mga yan, lalabas muna sa labas. Begin, the small things one, the small one.
Small things nga muna.
Yeah, small things muna.
Kala ko sure.
Lalabas nyo yan. Tapos, lilinisan yan doon. Wash out.
May mga babae na
Ayan. Para madaling linisan ng sala. Okay. Yan. You can off now. You can off. Oh.